Hello everyone, and welcome to this live premiere of the new season of Made in America.
Thank you so much for tuning in to tonight's premiere of Made of America. So excited to have the privilege to host and moderate. It's going to be inspiring. It's going to be emotional. It's going to be fabulous.
I'm really excited, but I'm also nervous.
I am so excited.
I'm really glad that I get to tell my story.
Yep. Enjoy the eggs.
Woo!
Yes.
He didn't make it. It was just too hard for him. When he took his last breath, it just poured.
Hey, looks like there's more rings.
Go. Thank y'all. I appreciate it.
Inconsolable. I'm inconsolable. This is really, really special to watch these.
We really want to encourage everyone who's watching to consider liking, buying from your small businesses in your area and supporting your charities in your area too.
I'm so happy the way you guys brought the whole story together. I think that's a good way, just to honor my dad.
To see my life and what we've been through play out on film is it's definitely overwhelming. It's rewarding.
I'm just, so thankful to work at a company that is committed to putting a platform out there for real people to tell their own stories in their own words.
Everybody get up out your seats.
Please remember to comment and share and watch this series.